Photographers, let me tell you why I think photo presets suck. So if you've ever used presets before, you might be disappointed when you just spent $100 on a preset pack to try and make your photos have a cool blue wintry look and it doesn't work. The reason why it doesn't work is because the creator that created those presets created it on their photos and it worked for their photos. Every camera, and especially every camera brand, processes colors differently. So when you load your image into Lightroom, even if someone was standing right next to you shooting with a different brand of camera, your colors and your photo is going to look vastly different. So for this reason, presets just generally don't work that good. They might be a nice starting point, but if you simply think that you can just purchase presets, slap them on your photos and call it a day, you're probably not going to get the best results. If you really like someone's work, rather than purchasing their presets, see if they have any online tutorials about how they edit, because this will help you to learn to edit your photos just like them. You can add their editing skills to your tool belt and create photos similar to that particular creator.